Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get a loan from Brigit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To obtain a loan from Brigit, you can utilize their instant cash feature, which offers short-term cash advances up to $250. To do it, first you need to qualify for Brigit's instant cash. To ensure it, you need to have active checking account. Your account should be at least 60 days old with regular activity, positive balance, maintain a balance greater than $0, having at least 3 recurring deposits from the same employer or income source, then achieving a minimum Brigit score of 40, which is based on your bank account health, spending behavior and earning profiles. Now in order to apply for a loan, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Brigit app. And now once you're inside here, be sure to log into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, in order to access the instant cash feature, it will require a Brigit Plus subscription, which costs between $8.99 and $14.99 per month. If eligible, you can request a cash advance ranging from $50 to $250, and funds are typically deposited in your account within 1 to 3 business days. For faster access, you can opt for express delivery, which delivers funds in about 20 minutes for additional fee. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.